how to enable camera on Omegle on Android. Hey guys, welcome to our channel and let's get started. So first, open up your Google Chrome on your mobile device and type down Omegle or omegle.com. Now once the site opens up, tap on this video option right here. And now agree the terms and tap on confirm and continue. Now as I've confirmed the action, you'll get a pop-up asking you whether you want to enable the microphone and camera or not. So make sure to select the allow option. Once you've done this, your camera and microphone should start recording you. But if it is not happening for some reason, then you need to go back to your home screen and now open up your phone settings. Scroll down and select apps. Now from here, you can search for Chrome or scroll down and look for Chrome and tap on it. Next, tap on permissions. Tap on camera and check if the permission for camera is allowed or not. If not, then make sure to allow it. Once you've done this, go back to Omegle once again and your camera and your microphone should be good to go. So I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more great contents. Thanks for watching.